classes tab. I'm there.
And then click on the class.
I'm sorry.
Faculty, teachers, and staff and students, please pardon this interruption. All vocational students should report to Mr. Tauber's room at the beginning of fourth block. When the bell rings, vocational students, please report to Mr. Tauber's room. Thank you.
I went to classes. I chose a class. I'm ready.
And you want to click on repeat steps.
Repeat steps at the top.
And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your exams locked under your class settings. And then what you'll do is you'll go through and you'll select whatever steps you want the students to do. And then you'll just click the exam as your last step. And then once the students finish the assigned things that you want them to do for that day, then at that point it'll stop them at that exam.
Okay, so the exam would be like the Unit 1 exam.
Mm-hmm.
So if I stop on Unit 1 review, would it stop them there? Or it has to be stopped on
No,
the exam?
you'll have to select the exam as the last step, and then make sure that that's locked.
Alright, give me a second. Let me see. So I'm not sure if you're able to view the course that I'm doing, but that's the Unit 1 exam and then stop. And then I click on assign repeat steps. Did I get that right?
Right. So you'll select the students, and then you'll select whatever steps you want them to do, and then you'll just select the unit or whatever exam you want to use as the last step that you select. And then what will happen for the student when they log in? It'll take them to the steps that you assigned, and then it'll jump them down to the exam. Since it's locked, it won't allow them to move forward. And then what you'll do the next day, you'll come back in, you'll clear the steps, you select the students, you'll just do it. You'll just follow that routine.
Okay. I appreciate it. I try to. If you could email it to me, that'd be good. I do got it. I just did it. I'm just gonna see how it works and try to go in myself. But I appreciate it.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. All right. Take care. Bye.
Catch him. Hey, Bonnie. Catch him.
I get it.
I told you there's a way you can videos. Well, you had the iPad. Never mind. It don't make sense.
Sir?
It's all good. What's the number of the iPad that you had that you did the screen? What was it? 12. Okay. Where do I go to? Just regular video?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Appreciate it.